Alright, we're going to see how this video does with the headset mic. So on this one, we're going to redo the, I think it's called Surface Max Quick Connect, the one that you buy from Lowe's. Because after installing this, I discovered that it doesn't play well with the J-rods. It doesn't close, you can push as much as you want. It doesn't want to do it. So I got another MTM quarter quick connect. So it locks. Now I have the same issue with the lance of my pressure washer gun. That one's a general pump and it's the same thing, it's a brass and it does the same exact thing because there's like a bevel to this. It doesn't cut off. It doesn't like that, so it doesn't seat all the way. So I also bought another quick connect for that lance. Some hard machining there. But we're gonna redo this one and then we'll retest the J-rod, but it should be the same effect. So we're gonna see how well this is doing on this little one. You can see how well this thread locker medium strength holds on. Should come off fairly easy. Let's see. Got it. I think that was it. Survey says needs a little more, but you can see we got it to move, so let's get it on again. Yep. Now we should be loose enough for our hands. So they had a good hold to it. Now this was my concern using this. See if you can get a view on it. Trying to get an angle, but right where that thread locker ends, there's a lip that sticks up. And my concern with that was that when you start using it with the pressure washer, it's going to blow that off into whatever's downstream. So that was my main concern about using this stuff. But that's why I personally would recommend that you first, run the system without any tips, so that you can remove any of these any of this debris you could possibly have first, and then now that everything's filtered and flushed, you can go ahead and use your tips without worrying that anything you did would clog them. Now this does seem pretty hard on there. Trying to see if I have anything to help clean it. I'm gonna go get a thumbtack. Give me a sec. Alright, we're back. Now I would assume nail polish remover acetone would also help clearing off that remaining dust with a thread locker. I'm right now running my nail through the threads with a paper towel. be just like this. I have my nail kind of sticking up. Probably can't see it. And I just have it there in the threads. Try to remove what I can. But you can kind of see how none of the thread lockers on this side seems to mostly be in here, but it really looks like it got pushed to this edge. But we're not going to play with this too much. That one's going to be on the sidelines with the other part of it, the plug part. So we're just going to try to clear out as much as we can. It's not going to be perfect. If it leaks, we'll just blame it on the fact that I only use thread locker and not a PTFE tape along with it, Teflon tape. Gotta dig into it a little, give it a steeper angle to really try to poke out and Loctite. Not the Loctite, the thread locker, because we're not using Loctite here. Getting a little cleaner. So I'm just going to try to do as much as I can like this, and then we'll go ahead and mate up the quick connects with this. Like I said, it's all clean down here. It's just towards the top where any of the thread locker would have gone up. And it's sitting. It's a little part somewhere here. I think it's this right here where I could feel my nail go up over it. And that should clear all the valleys here. And really it's just the inclines that still have the thread locking liquid. So this is meant for plumbing, although it looks like one for a battery terminal. We'll see if this helps any. I don't think it will, because the liquid's dry and hard. Alright, so we'll call it good enough there. And put our 3 lines. Maybe 4. I got used to the 4. Try to put a little less in here. It's a little small drop. Make sure we don't have any up here. Go ahead and thread it on. there. Now on some of these O-rings that I know will come in contact with chemical, whether it be the soft wash or the downstream, I'm just going to pull out the O-ring with a automotive pick and replace it with the Vidon O-rings I got from Pressure Tech. And that way I don't have to worry about them degrading as quickly. Alright, there we go. It's a little sticky. Now since this end is an output, I can put some marine grease around this to help prevent it from degrading as quickly as it would given the water environment. So we got that there. So now we got a good seat on our filter there. Don't have to worry about launching our J-rods a couple of 10 or 100 feet. I don't know how far they actually will go, but now we have a proper seat on it, so it's a little less concern on our mind. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do the one on the lance, because you got to keep the lance stable while you're tightening. I don't know if it's good enough hand tight. Of course, thread locker should make it so, but also I'm not 100% sure how easily it will come loose. Might have to go out to the vise and put it in there. Try to find something not to mar up the aluminum rod. But that's gonna be this video. I always seem to be a little gassy making these. But I'll find something next to put together. I do have a 3/8 quick connect fitting for a pressure gauge, so I'll probably put that one together next. We'll see you then.